In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit an appointment on Google Calendar effectively. Navigating through Google Calendar may seem a bit tricky at first, but once you've got the hang of it, it's a breeze to manage your schedule and keep everything neatly organized. Let's dive right into the process. First, you'll want to open Google Calendar. You can do this by heading to your preferred web browser and typing in the address bar, or by simply using a shortcut if you've saved one on your desktop for quick access. Once you're in, you'll be looking at your calendar view. This is where you'll see all your appointments and meetings neatly arranged. Next, locate the appointment schedule that you want to edit. Take a moment to scroll through your calendar and find the specific event that needs some changes. Once you've identified it, give it a simple click. This will open up a small preview of your event details. In this preview window, you'll see a pencil icon. This is your edit button. Click on that edit icon and it will take you to a more detailed view of your appointment. Here, you have the freedom to make various changes to your event. You can adjust the timing as needed. Perhaps the meeting has been moved up an hour, or maybe it needs to be postponed to a later time. Whatever the case, make the necessary timing adjustments right here. Additionally, in this editing mode, you can also modify the list of participants. Maybe there's a new person who needs to be included in the meeting, or perhaps someone can't make it anymore and needs to be removed. Simply update the participant list accordingly. Once you've made these adjustments, it's important to double-check everything to ensure you haven't missed anything crucial. If everything is looking good, you'll go ahead and click the next button. This step is crucial to confirm any updates you've made so far, and it prepares you to finalize your changes. Now, if there's a need to update the location of the event, don't forget to specify the new place where your meeting will occur. This is particularly handy when you're shifting from a virtual meeting to an in-person one, or when the meeting room has changed to a different location. Once you're satisfied with all your edits, simply click the Save button. And there you have it. Now you've successfully edited an event on your calendar. You should see the updates seamlessly reflected in your main calendar view. Editing events efficiently means you're always on top of your schedule, minimizing any confusion or overlaps. Thanks for following along with me today, and I hope this helps you stay even more organized in managing your time with Google Calendar.